Daily routine. According to Indian scriptures in Indian religious texts, daily routines hold significant importance as they guide an individual towards physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. These texts direct individuals to follow daily routines that align their actions with dharma, karma, and moksha. Hinduism, particularly in the Vedas, Upanishads, Puranas, Bhagavad Gita, and the teachings of Acharyas, provides specific guidelines for a daily routine. 1. Morning, Pratahkal, time to wake up. Waking up early in the morning is highly important. It is particularly advised to wake up during Brahma Muhurt, between 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. This time is considered ideal for spiritual practice as the environment is calm and pure. Drinking water. After waking up, it is advised to wash hands and face with fresh water, followed by drinking holy water like Gangajal or fresh water. Bathing. Bathing is crucial for both physical and mental purity. It is considered a symbol of cleanliness and peace. Prayer and meditation. Offering prayers and meditating in the morning brings mental peace and clarity. Chanting mantras, such as Om or Gayatri Mantra, regularly is considered highly beneficial. 2. Noon, Dophar, door worship and Aarti, twice a day, morning and afternoon, cleaning and worshipping at the home temple or worship place is done. Sacred meals. Food is regarded as a sacred activity in Indian traditions. It is important to eat with gratitude and devotion. Specifically, a sattvic diet, fruits, milk, vegetarian food, is preferred. Meals should be pure and consumed with love and respect. 3. Evening, Sandhyakal, Sandhya Vandan, evening prayer. The Sandhya Vandan or evening prayer is performed during the evening when the sun sets. It is done collectively with family and community. Lighting a lamp, diya, is considered auspicious and brings positive energy to the home. Karma and service. In the evening, one should engage in good deeds and service to others. This is considered as an act of charity and selflessness. 4. Night, Ratri, night meal. The evening meal should be light and easily digestible. Before sleeping, it is recommended to meditate and practice yoga before bed. This helps to calm the body and mind. Healthy sleep. Indian scriptures suggest, before going to sleep, meditate on God and sleep with good thoughts. This ensures mental peace and a restful sleep. 5. Special practices to follow. Weekly and monthly rituals. Religious texts also describe special rituals on specific days of the week. Example: Monday for Shiva worship, Friday fasting, Tuesday Hanuman worship, etc., and monthly fasting or vows for purification and mental discipline. Meditation and sadhana. Regular meditation, sadhana, spiritual practice, and yoga are highlighted in Indian scriptures. These practices lead individuals toward mental peace, self-realization, and unity with God.